Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to give someone access to your Shopify store. First thing first, go to your Shopify store admin page and log in with your credentials. Scroll to the bottom of the left-hand menu and click Settings. In Settings, click Users and Permissions. Click Add Staff to start adding someone new. Then type staff member's name and email address. Now select the permissions you want to grant. Just click Select All for full access and optionally grant access to linked apps and channels. Now click Send Invite once permissions are set. The staff member will receive an email invitation to create a Shopify staff account or log in with your Shopify ID. Invitations expires after 7 days. Follow up if they don't accept in time, and the number of staff members you can add depends on your Shopify plan, so check your limit. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.